Because it is a holiday season, the deals are coming. The deals are coming. The looks are given. Okay, it's given. But anyway, hey y'all. It is a glueless install and I am doing it with y'all today. So let's go ahead and appreciate what I'm given. Oh, hold on, push it back, push it back. This is looking pretty good. The hairline is looking pretty good. It does come with those baby hairs, but cut it in 3. I need to pull a little bit more hair out right here. Y'all be asking me what I be doing to lay my wigs down. Exactly this. Nothing crazy, okay? Hoping this is where the bush. I don't mind the bush. Because this is thicker hair. So you're gonna need a lot of it, I think. Maybe not. I can't look at my lips and they're just getting dry and dry. Lord have mercy. Uh-oh, is it on my earring? How is it on my earring? All right, so pretty daggone good, okay? I like that. Mouth to mouth. I gotta dry this side down a little bit more. Down completely, it will fluff up even more, which will be the perfect look for me. Y'all seen my other curly joints, and when I wear them and they fluff up and get a little lived in, they just look, they look good, y'all. They look good. There we go, there we go. So pretty. The hair is soft. I like how it looks. Still glueless, all up around the dome, all up around the forehead. Wherever I want it to go, that's where it will go. If I want a smaller forehead, some people like that, I don't, okay? So I can push it back here and be real comfortable. That's my comfort zone right there. Wait a minute, little back. There we go, okay? Listen. It's the hair for me. And the more this unit dries down, the fluffier and fuller it's gonna get. A 13x4 20-inch kinky curly wig for this price point, because it is a holiday season, the deals are coming. The deals are coming. Daddy Papa, the Sugar Bae, and the Sneaky Link will love this one. Okay, all 3 of them will love this one consecutively. Okay, yeah, get in where you fit in. Get in. As always, shout out one more time to BeautyForeverHair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link for my unit down below as well as my specs, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also, smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time.